Hello everyone, my name is Jorge. I don't usually make tutorials, but I finally found a solution to an issue that I've been having with my laptop for months, and I thought it would be nice for me to share with you guys in case you're having the same issue. So the issue was that for some reason, I think it's been like 9 months now, that my laptop was not recognizing any mouse. It was not recognizing a Bluetooth mouse, it was not recognizing a wire mouse, it was not recognizing a mouse that was using, that little thing, the USB thing. So it was not recognizing any mouse, and it was driving me insane because I hate using the keypad on my laptop. I'd rather use a mouse. It's faster and it's way more easier, and I just like to use a mouse. Anyway, so I've been struggling with this. I was literally going to buy a new computer because I did not find a solution for this. I was about to buy a new computer because it was driving me insane. I thought that my computer was old, and that was the reason why I couldn't use my mouse anymore. It was driving me insane. So my computer is a Lenovo Yoga 930 from 2018. I don't know if it's a specific issue to that computer or not, or if other computers also have this issue. But I thought it will be nice for me to share the solution, because I know it will be nice for me to find someone who was willing to, well, not willing to, but who found the solution and was willing to share it. So basically, I think this started when I changed my laptop battery, because it was literally not lasting more than 10 minutes, so I decided to go and change it. And after that, I think that's when the issue started. So I'm gonna tell you what I found out, and I'm gonna explain to you what the issue was. So first of all, we're gonna go Windows X, and we're gonna go to Device Manager. Okay, when we are here, we're going to go to mouse, obviously. So I'm going to explain you a little bit of what I did and how I ended up in that situation. Well, the mouse was already not working, so I decided to uninstall the driver. But I got worried because I saw a YouTube video saying that I will need to uninstall it, and that once I restart my computer, it will automatically come back, and it didn't come back, and I was freaking out. So basically, I did that, and then I did some other things. But the thing is that I ended up with some drivers here that were named HotKey mouse class filter driver, and it had a little sign here that was yellow, like a warning sign, and I had like a couple of those. I tried to connect in my Bluetooth mouse, and suddenly it will appear, more of those will appear here. So it was like 4 of the same thing saying like HotKey mouse class filter driver, and it was yellow. So what I did to solve this issue was I clicked on those things that had the yellow thingy, and I uninstalled them. So I uninstalled all of them, and I ended up with one and the name of that thing that was left was mice, and was other pointing devices. I was left with that. So what I ended up doing is I go to update. I went to update, and first of all, you need to search for drivers in case there's an update for those drivers. If you don't find any, which I didn't, you go to browse my computer, and then you go to let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You go here, and then you select this one, and you say next. I'm not gonna do it because I already did it. So you do that, and then for the keyboards, you need to do this as well. So you go to update drivers. If you find a driver that is outdated, you will need to update them and then you go, and if you don't find that, you're gonna do the same thing that we did before. So you're going to go to update drivers, you go to browse for drivers, and you go to let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So you're gonna do that for all of these. And I think for this one, I did it, and it asked me to restart my computer. I restarted my computer, and the issue was solved. So let me know if this helped you. If not, it might be another thing, but this really helped me. I just did those things, and my mouse is working again. I'm literally using the mouse right now. And it's nice to know these types of things, because you don't want to for your computer to go to waste. So please try that. As I said, I don't usually do YouTube videos, but I was just so thankful that it worked that I decided to make one. So this is, I don't know a lot about computers. I was trying so many different things for months, and this ended up working. Let me know if it worked for you, and let me know if you have any questions to see if I can maybe solve it. And that's all for it for today, guys. And I hope you have a great day, and I hope this works because I don't want you to have to buy a new computer, honestly. Thank you, guys.